I will say that, like, I feel crazy. Like, I just feel a little crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I feel like, oh. What's up, mi gente? Bienvenidos and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Alexiss Dionne. You guys, I'm super excited for this video because it's something new. I haven't done this type of video on my channel yet, so I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Today, we're going to be trying out a new face mask. I saw it on another YouTuber's page, and they had really good reviews on it, and I was like, you know what? I'm trying to get this skin right, so let's do something. So I decided I wanted to spend my little coins, and I decided to jump onto Amazon and to purchase this mask here. It's called the Zombie Pack. So if you guys are excited to see how this mask does, go ahead, hit that like button down below, and stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Let's see here. I'm just gonna read off the back really quickly. So this is going to help with skin elasticity. It's gonna tighten your pores. It's also gonna help, or is gonna help in 9 different ways: dead skin cells, brightness, elasticity, moisturization, clarity, skin balance, tightening of pores, and lifting, which I need all of that. Why not, right?
You don't see my skin? Do you see it? Do you see all these little mini imperfections? Like,
we're gonna need some help with this, okay? So I've already opened the package. This came inside, which I thought was pretty interesting. It's a certificate of authenticity. So I guess maybe because, you know, there's a lot of bootleggers out there and scammers, I guess this is just stating that it's authentic to this brand. It isn't, you know,
a bootleg basically.
So that's pretty dope, right? Inside of it, it comes with these packs here, facelift packs. I think there are 8 of these, so there are 8 masks in here. This cost me $16 and some change. So I mean, 8 masks for 16 bucks. What is that? $2 a mask. That's not bad, right? And then also it gives you this solution here. It comes with 8 little solutions, as well as a little brush. So let's go ahead and jump into mixing this. Let's see if we can open this without spilling any powder. Okay, so this is what comes inside. Can you guys see? It's white powder here. So I'm guessing this is your egg powder. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our activator and pour that in as well. So here's the activator. Make sure I don't spill anything. And I'm going to just pour this in, clear liquid. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to mix with the brush. It's completely mixed up. I just want to make sure that there were no clumps in it. It does have like a very strong chemical type smell, like developer almost, to be honest with you. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my face, and we're going to hope that it doesn't burn off. So I want to show you guys a close-up of my face. I already put it on, but now that I stuck it on there, I'm going to show you guys my pores. Let's get close and personal. All the pores. I got all the blackheads, all the fucking acne scars. I got it all. So here you go. This is actually my bad side, but this is kind of what it looks like. And so we're gonna do a little before and after. Let's see how we like it. Oh shit. No, it's dripping. Oh.
It tingles on my forehead. It's tingling. It's tingling.
Right now I do feel a little tingling going on right here. It's like a little stinging sensation, I'm not gonna lie. Other than that, I can feel it tightening up. It says to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit, and I'll be back with you guys once it's all dry to let you know how it feels.
A little adventure. Hey, you're gonna be. Hey, you're gonna be. Hey, you're gonna be. A little adventure.
So I have have been sitting for a little over 15 minutes. And I'm trying not to laugh because this thing is tight. Oh my gosh. They said to wash it off with warm water. So, all right, let's go rinse this off, you guys. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I look bananas. I will be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so I have washed off the product from my face using warm water, and it said to apply toner afterwards. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like right after I washed my face off, and kind of just to tell you how it felt. I will say my skin does feel, it feels very soft. It does feel somewhat moisturized. I wouldn't say it feels like super moisturized or anything like that. I mean, maybe it just feels that way just because my skin was so damn tight underneath that mask that I'm just like, I feel like do I notice any like huge improvements? Maybe my skin does seem a little brighter. Definitely want to continue using this mask. For the most part, you know, when you use a mask, you're not gonna get like immediate results right after unless it's just some type of fucking unicorn magic mask.
Whoa! You fart rainbows! And they smell like apple cinnamon.
You have to usually use a product a few times to kind of see some type of difference. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and incorporate this in my routine and try to see, you know, what kind of results I get out of it. I will update you guys later if I do see anything, or if you guys want like an updated video after I use all 8 packs, let me know down in the comments below so I know to kind of do that video for you guys. But other than that, I am going to go ahead and just apply my toner. I am currently using Oh My Donna as a toner right now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to moisturize with Oh My Donna number 3 moisturizer, which I absolutely love. By the way, you guys, this stuff has my skin feeling so awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on, moisturize my skin here. And I'm gonna go ahead and get ready with the rest of my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments, like I said, if you want an updated video just to see how those masks have worked out for me. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. I hope to see you guys next time. Hasta la próxima vez, mi gente. Mwah. Te quiero. Ciao.
A little